Hey everybody, this is Crafty Peep. I am in the April showers bring May flowers with Mary Beth with MB Gray Designs. She is the host. I just love the sounds of spring and I love the low humidity in Houston. Thank you very much, Mary Beth, for having this playlist. I did a pair of rain boots that I got at Goodwill and did Mackenzie-Childs Inspired.
Yeah, that was a doozy. I love trays because they're square and they're easier than a shape like this. Anyway, I am thrilled with how these little wellies turned out. Thank you. It did take 3 coats, but I think if you had slick stick for your first thing, it would have turned out way better.
I also got a child umbrella from Amazon and did the rim with Mackenzie-Childs. I used slick stick around the umbrella to make it adhere to that plastic, and I should have used it on the boots, but I didn't have it yet when I did the boots. But I would suggest you getting some Dixie Belle slick stick to do any adherence on plastic, glass, metal. I love it.
Got them at Goodwill for $3.99, and I got another little pair in there for $3.99 in the kids section. They were lime green and pink, and it took 3 coats. But I would recommend doing a coat of Mod Podge or a coat of Slick Stick, and that's from Dixie Belle, and it just adheres to your paint will adhere to it way better. And then I just freehanded the checks on there.
I did a little pink flower arrangement. I love the sounds of spring. I love the birds chirping. So as soon as spring hit, I put those boots and umbrella out there. Here is some pictures of our landscape out in front of the house. It's my husband that's the green thumb. I just like to enjoy it. I do put some basil and some rosemary and some cilantro in pots and keep those alive. But I just love the sounds of spring, and I love the low humidity in Houston. And those are blue bonnets. We're down here in Houston, but those are in front of somebody's house right outside my cul-de-sac. And here you see the flowers at Walmart. Thank you all so much for joining Crafty Peep, and I hope that you will follow me on Facebook and subscribe to me over here on YouTube. Stay crafty, sweet peeps.